This meditation is no joke. It is extremely powerful, saturating, and even overwhelming to an extent. So please do not listen more than 3 times in one day. This meditation helps build love, connection, improves communication, and emotional healing between you and your specific person. Now let's begin. They are constantly checking in on me. They give me all of their attention. They are in love with me. They are obsessed with me. I am literally the reason they exist. They exist just for me. They are disgusted by the idea of being with anyone else but me. They only have eyes for me. They are intensely protective over me. They are possessive over me. They feel jealous when anyone else is around me. They are constantly thinking about me. They are wondering what I am doing right now. They are obsessing over me right now. They are craving me right now. They are unable to think of anything else but me right now. They crave me so much that they feel empty and incomplete without me. They are helplessly drawn to me and can't stay away. Their whole world revolves around me. They are addicted to my energy. They can't function without me. They are so needy that they can't be at peace without my attention. Thoughts of me consume their mind every second of every day. They are constantly needing my attention. They are constantly needing my affection. They are constantly needing my validation. They think I am the most beautiful person to ever exist. We are both completely aligned energetically. This relationship is destined to work. They treat me like royalty. I am the air they breathe. They break no contact with me. They text me. They call me. They FaceTime me. They confess their feelings to me. They apologize to me. They are open and loving with me. They commit to me. They desire me. They long for my presence. They yearn for me. They feel a pull towards me. They reach out to me on every social media platform. They reject all third parties. They are bound to me. They know that I am their person. They are more in love with me than I am with them. They have vivid dreams about me. They are devoted to me. It is already done. Type a heart to affirm this meditation. And if you would like to manifest more than just a text from your specific person, I can help you. All you have to do is head to joybyjanelle.com and I can help you manifest whatever you would like, just like any of my thousands of other clients. I hope you have a day full of love and joy, and I will see you in the next meditation.